Let me show you how to sort the columns, monthly column in this case. So in here you can see if you use the month name like this and then the other categories to prepare a pivot table, then there's a little bit problem here because uh, actually the month will be sorted by the alphabetical order. So April and then December and then April and August will be upfront December and then the rest will be the last one will be the September. Okay, so this is not what we want because we want the order in the calendar order, right? So one way to do this is just to insert the select tool here, and I don't recommend you to do this, but I will do it anyways to show you one way to do it. So you can just move around the columns around. So you will move May and May 22 and Jan 22 up front in here. Okay, so maybe I will do it. Now I will move this one up front. And then you will see this one is very boring process, and then it's very time consuming. And then if you run the whole process, the whole new data again, and then maybe you have to shuffle the column round. So this one I show you we can do this way. If you have five columns, then maybe well we just do it in a minute. But it is not the way. It's not a correct way, and then it doesn't save you time. So I will show you another way to do it, which is um, using the month name, the month number, or in this column we have in this table we have two things. The first thing is the date with the month name, and then in here we have the column with the month number. So I use the number first, and I show you the why I do this. I will use the month number here, and then sorry, month number here, and then I will check the market and segment, and then I will sum the amount altogether. Okay, like this. So from here you can see this table is in order already. Okay, so this one is not in order because the month order is not correct, but this one order already 22 and April, May, June, and July. But the problem is not the month name. So now you the second step you can guess already, which is to convert those numbers into names. Then that's it. Okay, so in order to do that, we need the the first thing, which is the dynamic rename here. So you can rename dynamically. And the second one would be how to the mapping from the number here to the name in order to go to rename the whole thing. Okay, so in order to form the mapping, I will do another grouping table in here. I will do I group the month here, and then the month number and the month name all together in the same place, in the same table. Okay, yeah. So there's some error, but I will explain the process first, and then I ignore the error for now. Okay, so here you can see this is June, this is July of 22, the number and the name, and then somehow you we can replace this name, this number into this name, and then we are done. Okay, so here we have the numbers already, but then you can see this is underscore, but and then this is the minus sign, right? So we need to only need to replace the a minus sign to the underscore, and then we are done. Okay, so from here you can see replace the month name. Whenever I see the minus sign, I will replace with the underscore. Okay, so after this we have everything already. Then we can just rename the columns in here. So you can just use the input rows. Sorry, the input rows. Uh, Whenever I have the old name in this, I will rename with the new name in here. And I need to run the workflow to show you. Sorry, wrong guy. I need to prepare the mapping first. Okay, so in here you have the mapping already. Oh, this, by the way, this is before. You have everything in the minus, and then in here after you have underscores. So if you whenever you have the name like 2023 underscore 7 underscore 1, you rename it with July, and as a result you will have this. Okay, so you can see here April and May, June, July, all the way 22 to until December, and then you have January and February and then March. So this is how you order the the monthly columns. You don't do that. Don't do in your real project. Don't do this. Use the select tool in order to shuffle the column. It take you a lot of time. Just pivot the table with the number, and then use the dynamic rename tool in order to rename everything.